This cloud automation gives you infinite leads every single month, whether it's from LinkedIn, Facebook, or Google, or anywhere else. So in this video, I'm going to educate you on how to set it up, on how you can use this specific automation. At the end, I'll also talk about the costs. A quick reminder, because it didn't show up at the beginning, if you want the Claude.md to actually good, you can just go in the description and grab it. So I'm just going to go here, oops, then just copy it, and then drag and drop it. Wait, here. So it's pretty much telling Claude what this project does, hard rules like never delete any files. I mean, the newer models are actually pretty good at this, you know. They are not just going to delete anything, but it's just good to have a clean Claude.md. So it didn't show up in the beginning of the process, so I'm just doing it right now. So for the purpose of the video, you are going to need Claude Desktop installed, which you can get from just searching Claude Desktop and just installing it. After you've done that, you would need to go to this plus sign, just press it, go to connectors, add connector, then browse connectors. Press it and search for Apify, which is the tool which we are going to use to scrape all the data from. So I already have it installed, but I'm going to show you how you can install it. So just press on install, then after that, go to your search engine, type in Apify, because you're going to need your own API token. Just go to the first link, apify.com, and just log in, I guess. After you've logged in, just go to settings, and then API and integrations, and here's your personal API token. Just go here, just copy it, go to connectors again, then browse connectors, and then just put your API token in here. After you've done that, you would need to go to cowork, just change from chat to cowork. Press folders, first create a new folder and just name it however you want it. I don't know, like test 5, something like that. You can also type something in on what are you trying to achieve, but I normally don't do it. Okay, so after you've done all these steps, you're just going to need to go to the description, because there is where you are going to find this prompt, which I'm going to use here. It's completely for free, and you can just get it. So I literally just copy it, just paste it in. Oops, I think it's up here. Yeah, perfect. So yeah, it will just say use fancy people, blah blah blah, and there are some gaps which I'm going to fill right now. You can fill in however you want it to be, but I'm just going to do it for the purpose of the video. I will just make it very quick. Okay, so it seems that Claude is finished. It searched for the Google Maps dentist actor, so for an actor to search for everything, then ran the actor and got 20 dentists, then qualified each candidate against fit signals, and also then build the leads.xlsc, I think, yeah, and then you also write the final report. So we should find everything in Google Drive. Okay, that's very cool. So here's the name, the company of the business, the role, so what they're doing. It's all dentists because that's what we have searched for. Then also there are the headlines or the business descriptions, and also the profile listing URL. Here's also the context, so where you can contact the business, and also the context. So that's actually very good, because Claude also told us that, for example, for this business, there isn't a recent Google Post owner update found on profile, and there are only just 4 reviews total, and the 0.0 average rating, which is very key if you want to go to a business and actually approach it. And yeah, we won't stop here. So the next step would be to, because we want to completely automate everything, you would want to go to the connectors, then add connector, browse connectors, go here and just type in Gmail. So if you actually want to contact this business which you have scraped with this data on an email, you can just go to Gmail, connect it. So I already have Gmail connected. You just have like to tab, it will then be directed to your browser and you just have to sign in, which is pretty much easy. And after you've done that, your agent now can actually scrape the data, validate the idea, and at the end even send the outreaches. And at the end you can also update it. So I'm going to type it in. So everything is automated. Okay, so after Claude desktop pretty much crashing and the VM not working, I restarted everything and now it should be finished. So he's telling me the VM actually started properly this time. So if you like encounter this problem, just you either ask Claude or just reset your PC. That normally is going to fix it. And yeah, it's back, blah, blah, blah. Files are there, Excel, real checkbox, insert checkbox, blah, blah, blah. Column edit, assign column all to false by default. So you also added a send, so he can also track on if it's sent. So I already have told you on how to, make Claude just send it by its own. So I just have the Gmail MCP just here connected. You can also build like CLI things, like CLI tools for different providers when there isn't like an MCP. But I think that's a different video. But yeah, you can just connect it to Gmail. Just have like turned it off because I'm not using it, and you can just like tell Claude to text these guys, and then he will even update that to true and also what they said. Next thing is, or like next great thing to do is to schedule it, because you want to do it on a specific task. You don't just want to go in the text and like do it over and over again. And for that, I even also have a prompt for that. You can just go in the descriptions I already have told you and just grab it from there. So that you just copy it. Yeah. So I'll fill out these things. Okay, so we just did that one, and now he's going to create a shuttle task for scraping this automatically on a specific time. So I already told him to do it at 8 a.m. You can just change it on however you want it. Also, I also told him to find 20 candidates via an Apify. So I also told you can just do it on how you want it to be done. So you can also change the 8 a.m. to a specific, to be like 10 a.m. Okay, so now we're finished. So here's the whole output and also schedule task, blah, blah. Daily 8 a.m. scrape of 20 CA dentists. Perfect. So schedule, enter, and now Claude should schedule it. Okay, perfect. So now it's set up. As promised, I'm going to talk about the cost, which were about per scrape 0.008 for one run, and which is actually not that much. So if you're on the free plan, that's how much it would cost you to run this specific actor. And if you're even on the paid plan, you might even pay less. So yeah, but if you're on the free plan like me, you are going to pay 0.008 cents per run for that specific actor. So everything is down in the description as I told you. And if you don't want just Claude to read the data, but actually find your clients which are interested in your service, you might check this out. So thank you for watching and peace.